Good morning, Sleepy Pants. Let's match the corners. Look, I did it!
So proud of you both.
Make sure to brush all the way in the back.
You girls are doing a wonderful job.
Almost done, my little stars. Wow, it's beautiful.
Look, a butterfly.
You both look wonderful. Look at that little milk mustache, Nehitha.
Oops. You're so silly.
Here, let me get that for you.
Thank you, Mommy. We are all ready for school now. I am so excited. We are going to have so much fun today. I can't wait to see my friends. You will learn so many things. Yes.
First, look left and right for cars. Then, we can cross together safely. Always use the zebra crossing. Perfect! Let's cross now.
Wow, your star looks absolutely beautiful. Can I please have the yellow chalk? You'll do great. I'm ready. Please like this video and do subscribe my channel for more videos.